Let's use AI to write an outline for a new course. Under the Generate Slides tab, choose I want AI to write the knowledge base. Describe the topic in at least 50 characters. The clearer your description, the better the outline. Click Continue to move on. Select the target duration for this segment. 10 minutes is a good starting point, but adjust as needed. Press Continue again. The AI instantly drafts a high-level outline. Each line represents a major topic or module. Drag items to reorder, click the trash icon to remove, or use the new outline item to add your own. Not happy with the draft? Click Regenerate Outline for a fresh version. When the outline looks right, click Continue. The AI will expand each point into detailed content in the next steps. That's all it takes to create a complete course outline with AI. Tweak, reorder, or regenerate until it's perfect. Then move on to writing content and building your slides.